These are the Life 609 with platform and high heel, red and black, and we will put for you the link on the description so you can get it. Hello everyone, I'm Victoria here at Shoes of Hollywood today with you, and I'm so happy to be here. Today we're gonna review these beautiful shoes. The name is the Life 609 and they are 6 inches. As usual, they bring with this box for protect them. In this opportunity, on my favorite color, red. And with this travel bag, you know that I always say the same, but it's because I really like this kind of bag because it's so, it's working with everything. Okay, and look at these beautiful shoes. I love them. And my favorite colors, black and red. But look at this heel. It's so amazing. I love it. They are shining. 6 inches, so it's really good for me this high, because you know that I'm so tall, so I just need a little bit. I don't need really high shoes. In this opportunity, they bring ankle strap, which is good because they are, well, still high. And let's try. Super grippy button as well, cushioning on the bottom. And yes, let's try now. Oh, they are perfect. I feel like the name should be Victoria's shoes because they are so they are made for me. They are made for me. The Life Victoria's shoes. It's like I was thinking in these shoes and they just made it. Oh my god, I really love them. This time the attention is for the platform and the heel because it's changing. They are so comfortable. I really love this kind of shoes. I really can walk in these ones during all the day without problem. They are super comfortable because they are so cushiony, so you can't get tired with these ones. First time that I wear this kind of shoes, I was so surprised because they are so comfortable. It's really like, you can't believe. What did you think, guys? Did you like? Is this style? Oh my god, look at this heel. I'm in love with this heel. They are pretty beautiful. And you can use in any opportunity with jeans, with dress, whatever you want to wear. Okay guys, as usual, we are going to outside to show you how amazing look these ones under sunlight. But don't forget to subscribe, to let your comments here down, and click on the little bell in this corner so you won't miss any video from this channel. Let's go. I feel so comfortable, so comfortable, and I love the ankle strap because your feet is not moved to anywhere. As usual, really amazing day here in Brisbane. This is my weather. This is my weather that I enjoy. And my cameragrapher loves them too as well. He loves this hot weather. Okay, let's turn a little bit. Show you what you can see. Oh my god, they are So beautiful. What do you think, guys? Please let me your comments here down. I read all of them. I really like to see every comment that you just left. I think this high is properly for me. It's not too high, but it's not too short. So it's like perfect. I know you really like this style. Because it's unique. Yeah, this is much better. These ones are that kind of shoes that you don't want to take off. You want to keep it. So guys, I hope to see your comments about these shoes. I know you will love these shoes like me. And also, if you want to follow me, we are gonna put my Instagram here down so you can follow me. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you next time.